We offer a wide range of STEM programs, including our AI for Young Learners course, designed for elementary and junior high students. This multi-level program introduces artificial intelligence in an age-appropriate way, with hands-on exercises that make learning fun and practical. It starts with engaging levels that build appreciation for current AI trends. Students create short videos, music tracks, presentations, and get coding help using AI tools, sparking creativity and showing real-world applications without needing advanced skills. As they advance, the course covers foundational concepts such as basic machine learning and AI agents that act autonomously. The approach stays practical and exploratory, helping kids grasp how these technologies function. Parents might wonder about AI's impact on future jobs, especially since we're discussing this transformative technology. Many worry it could automate roles, including software engineering. While mastering AI is increasingly valuable, it's equally important not to focus only on AI. The strongest foundation comes from a versatile toolkit: mathematics, essential for AI, coding, robotics concepts, 3D design tools such as CAD, game development with Scratch, Minecraft, Roblox, and Unity, blending coding with creativity, design, and storytelling, cybersecurity for digital safety and ethics, and English for STEM to communicate technical ideas clearly. These interconnected skills help students adapt and innovate, no matter how technology evolves, through AI advancements or new shifts. In short, our AI for Young Learners program empowers children to use AI confidently today while building lasting STEM competencies for tomorrow.